Well guys, this is where I'm at still. I'm still playing around with this Mitsubishi Cordia. I'm sure some of you are following this channel because of this, or you've clicked on it because of this car. Just thought I owe you an update on what's been going on with this car. At the moment, not too much progress has actually happened. It's a GSR model, which means it's a turbo on this particular car. It's got a body kit. I don't know if it came like that from the factory, but I think these were options that you added on aftermarket. I don't think it came like this, but yeah, it's one of those unique ones that I think this body kit, you probably find it hard to find a new one. I think they have remade these body kits by a different manufacturer, and you may be able to get new ones of them, but yeah, you don't see too many like this. Yeah, just have a look what's going on here. Got wires, fuse box is open. Well, this relay box, really, it's not really a fuse box as such. There's not many fuses here. A few fusible links, 3 fusible links here, red, green, and green. Some relays here, which I think they're for the tail lights, the headlights, and some IU. I don't know what that is. It could be an ignition unit. I have to look this up. I don't know what that is. Or it used to be here and it's not actually being used. Yeah, that's right. It's actually, that's that one. IU is there, but it's missing, which is that one there. That one there is the fan, which is right there, fan. PW is missing. It didn't have a PW. That's power windows, I believe. I'm just guessing, so if I'm not correct, don't crucify me. I'm just using my experience and lack of knowledge, limited knowledge of this car. I'm still in a working out process right now. I'm trying to work out what all this does. I've worked out some of the connections, what they do, but I still gotta find out what these ones here do. I haven't looked into that too much at the moment. I've got the original wiring loom back connected where they should be connected. There's still this one here. I don't know what that does. Look at that. If anybody knows what this connection is for, write to me in the comments, because you know your help will be very appreciated. I've got these ones connected here. I've got that one connected there. This one here is blanked off here and there. This one I've worked out to be an ignition wiring loom from the ignition switch somehow. I'm still trying to confirm that to be 100% sure, but that's what I believe it is at the moment from the little bit of testing I've been doing today. This one here, I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I gotta do some more testing there. I don't know what this is. I know this is the power. The red one is a power positive connection or whatever line, but I really don't know what the other ones do. So I've got 2 greens, a red one and a yellow one with the black line. Whew. Yeah, guys, I'm having issues so far. I'm having issues that I can't work out why I'm not getting much power. I'm not getting power to this bit here, and I'm not getting power. I'm not even getting any power. Even when I connect all the battery wiring, I'm not getting any power here. This is a fuse box, just in case you don't know where your interior fuse box is. It's right here under the dash in the coin box here. You just clicks over like that. You just press that in and it stays. If you want it to come down, just push it all the way. Anyway, so there's the fuses for under the dash. That's what they are there. Horn, wipers, radio, whatever that is, defogger, hazard, stop, room or dome. I think that's the interior light, which is that one there. I've checked that with a test light. I've checked it with a multimeter. I'm not getting any power. I've switched on the ignition and everything. I'm getting nothing. Nothing's lighting up on the dashboard. I got nothing. So let me just put that back before I break it. And that's the factory ECU on the floor there. I'm not ready to connect that yet. Oh, so that's the update. And the other thing I have done since the last video is down here, the alternator does not, I discovered it doesn't have anything connected to it. I've got no power there, so I've added this little jumper cable from here that was dangling. This is from the original loom, going to the alternator right there, to the B, and I've still got to work out what this one does down here. Now I might just try and disconnect my battery. See if I can bring you closer to that, because I might need to know what's actually in there. I need to work out what that is. Oh boy, I'm having trouble now. Come on. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Let's see if I can focus that. Can I look inside? I'm trying to show you inside there, see what's in there. And it's also for my own research. If I could see what's in there, I can connect the rest of it, which is, let me pause this video again. So so I've got these little two wires here to connect up into here, into the alternator, but this is the alternator for this engine, the modern engine. This connector is for the old Cordia alternator. So I can't simply just plug and play it. I've got to make new connections to go in there, and I've got to work out what those two connections, what they are. Like, I need to know how to connect them up, which way to connect them. I don't know which one. So again, guys, that's something I'm really researching right this moment. I'm investigating on that so I can figure out where to connect these things. Yeah, so the other thing, of course, I've got battery here. I've got battery there just for your entertainment. I can give it a quick crank. Just simply getting a bit stuck there. Alternator stuck. So I've got that there. I can crank it. I think I might have it in gear. Uh-oh. Let's check this thing. No. I think the starter motor is not that great either. Let's try again. Okay. Yeah, so I was able to crank it earlier. Right now it sounds like it's jammed. So the starter motor might be jamming up. Didn't sound too good just then. My next stage is to work out why I'm not getting power here. Make sure all these things are connected. Alternators, I need to finish connecting that. Getting power to the ECU. Make sure everything's connected here. Otherwise, if I can't understand this, I'm gonna have to make up a new one myself. A whole new fuse box alongside this one. I'll hide it away, maybe I'll hide it here or right beside it somehow, I don't know. But still, guys, I'm learning. So you can come along and learn with me as I try to work this thing out. This is where I am. I'm stuck. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day because I don't know what else to do here. Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. Put that in there. Well, the other thing I did do actually is I disconnected. Oh, down here. Of course, you've got the ignition switch right here. You got the ignition switch right here. I've actually I've taken out the switch from the lock. I've separated these two. There's a little screw right here, which you undo, which is that one, and it goes through there. You just undo that one, and you can pull out. You can pull out the switch at the rear of the lock. It just falls out. You can turn it around like that. You can probe the back of that with a multimeter or a test light or whatever it is that you're using to test. And that's what I've done. It makes it much easier than to be lying on the ground, on the floor, trying to get to the back of this. Just disconnect it. And what you do is get a screwdriver like that, and you can just simply stab it in there, and you just twist it. You twist it and twist it the other opposite direction, just as you would with the key. I've done this just to make it easier. So I just thought I'll let you see what's going on back here, how things are. And I'll quickly show you under here what mess I'm dealing with under here as well. Under here, you've got another relay, a set of relays just down here. And it's really annoying because it's not easy to reach under there. See that? I don't know what that relay is. If anybody knows what this relay does and this one here, please write to me in the comment. Tell me what these things are. So I'm still to test that. And I've just been testing, well, there we go, a brake switch. In case you haven't seen what a brake switch looks like, this is a brake pedal. And right here, see right here and here, this is a switch, brake switch. And you can actually see the little trigger where it opens and closes right there, where it's opening and closing. That's where the switch gets triggered to flash your tail lights when you brake. So that's just a lesson for you guys if wondering where these things are and where they're located in the actual car, and you've never looked at under the dashboard. So today you've seen what it is like down there. Guys, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna pursue this little project and just keep it going. I'm learning. Sorry guys if I'm moving too slow with this project, but it's just something I decided to do just for fun, just for simple fun, and to learn something. I know everyone hates electronics. This is what we don't like. We pay a lot of money to professionals to do this stuff for us. We just want to put the engine in, let the professionals wire it up for us, and we just want to enjoy driving the vehicles, right? We all just want to enjoy the drive of a vehicle. But this time around, I've decided I am gonna try and learn. Let's not take the easy way out so quickly. Eventually, of course, I've got an exit plan. If I can't work this out, I'm gonna just give it to a professional. Eventually, we'll just have to send it to a professional electrician, auto electrician, to do the wiring up. But for now, I'm gonna persist. I'm gonna keep pursuing this educational process. And yeah, join me later, see if it will start. I will keep you posted on what my next progress level will be, and if I come up with something new or if I achieve something, I will show it to you and just share with you what I've been doing. I'm sure a lot of people wonder, how does this stuff get done? How does this get done? And right now you have an opportunity to learn along with me. Maybe we can all learn something and do up more projects in the future. This is all the old stuff. This stuff will be eliminated. This is for the old engine. We don't need that for this engine. This engine has its own connections, or these whatever accessories. So this will be eliminated. Guys, I've got to go. I've got somewhere to be right now. I'm going to just leave it now. See you next time. Bye.